Every year, high school students endure serious injuries and suffer life-threatening medical emergencies while participating in sports and activities. When you witness the collapse of an athlete, you may be responsible for their immediate and appropriate care. But what do you do? Who do you call? Where do you start? This is why the NFHS has created this course, The Collapsed Athlete. This course will teach you the importance of developing emergency action plans and practicing them. You'll discover the 3 H's, heart, heat, and head, and their relationship to potentially fatal injuries and illnesses. When your athlete collapses and you need to act, you will know an action plan designed to take you step by step through the process of helping the collapsed athlete. Take the free course, The Collapsed Athlete, at nfhslearn.com.